Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I don't know if you can see, but we finally got the shielding in. Just been an extremely busy day. Yesterday, that is. Sorry about that. Didn't get everything done I wanted. Just had things we had to do. And of course, what did I do? I misplaced the nuts for the shielding. What did I do? Label them and put them where they belong. That's why I lost them. Yes, I know, I heard some of you laughing. No laughing, it's not allowed. So today, we are gonna get the tank in, get everything buttoned up underneath, get the fuel lines ran. We got the harness for the tank so that it'll go up and in, no problems. We're gonna bag up the sockets that are not being used and tie them off so that there's no water or anything gets in them, because I don't know if any of you can see, there we go. There's the side marker light, and this is what was done to the entire car. There are no side marker lights. They filled them in and put sponge in there, so I'm not gonna damage the gentleman's car to put these back in again. So we'll bag them up, make sure that they're safe and sound, that no water gets in them or on them. And we'll get everything in and taken care of. We've got all the grounds taken care of over here. We did that yesterday. So we got that taken care of, got the harness ran, got everything in place, got the fuel lines ran. And then all I have left to do is to pull the return line through there. And we are good to go. And we'll button everything up, make sure it looks nice and neat, so if anybody crawls back under it, it always looks respectable like it's supposed to. Okay, we'll let y'all go. It's been a busy morning already. See ya. Okay, ladies and germs, here we go. Well, we finally figured out the strap for the gas tank. Now, I didn't take this gas tank out the first time, so I didn't know where the straps went. I've never done gas tank straps on a C3 before. So a little bit of research showed me that the strap, sorry about the bad camera work, guys, slides through here. Of course, nut and bolt, captive nut, goes up, over, around the tank, comes down here on that, and you twist and slide the strap there underneath and bolt it into place. Very different, very weird, and moronic. But I'm not a designer for cars. I'm sorry, I said that wrong. Engineer. I'm not an engineer for cars, but we'll get it done. See you on the next round.
Right.
Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Finally.
Little tank action.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, boy.
I see your straps up there.
Yep. We finally got that situation taken care of. And we are doing
That's its own fucking pain in the ass.
the left side, well, right side hoses. We got the bladder for the top so that if it rains or whatever or spills, all the liquids come out the hole.
We made our little vent P that's required.
Which I didn't remember. Shoot me, I know, bad mechanic. So we're gonna tuck this underneath so that we know we're good.
And then we got this hose up
And
here.
then Bobby can do this hose for the vent so that we know we're good. Oh yeah, shove it in, deeper. Oops, sorry.
Oh. Scotty hasn't gotten laid in a while.
Well, you know, hey, part of life.
I think we're in. You got the pliers?
I got the pliers.
Hit her with the pliers.
Get to the chopper.
The chopper.
Okay, here we
Get
go.
down now!
You actually do that pretty good.
Yeah.
We are. Bobby's going to guide us through the top.
Ooh.
And
Yeah,
if all goes well,
I'm gonna go up there and guide.
Let's see what we get.
Scotty. You gotta put this end in first, I reckon. If I remember correctly. Because you gotta sit that shit on the thing. What a fucking bitch. Ladies and gentlemen, look at how flexible Scotty is. Contortionism at its finest. Do you need me to go up there, or do you want me to get the thing?
I don't know yet. I think I need to go. I need to bend it a little bit more.
Why is this strap so much longer than the other one?
It's not. They both need to go up.
Oh, I was like, what the fuck is going on here? Okay, so now what are we doing? This is why you make the big bucks, Scotty.
Yeah.
You're like, yeah, right.
Okay. Come down on the back.
Yeah.
Try and push.
Let me lay down here. You know what? Fuck this, we'll video it out.